Namaste. This is Swapnil from Help in Learning platform. Today's discussion is Garib Kalyan Rozgar Abhiyan. Firstly, why it is in news. In the wake of ongoing epidemic crisis, migrants were severely affected. To protect their interest, Government of India launched this campaign. It is employment campaign for migrant workers in rural areas which have been affected by reverse migration. Before reverse migration, we learn few facts about migration and how migration happens. Movement from one place to another place is migration. Push factor and pull factor contributes for migration. Push factors such as unemployment, civil war, pull factors such as employment, peace and security. Migration patterns in India are increasingly reflecting the economic divide in the country. Out of all migration, 69% are women. As per 2001 census, women migration takes place due to marriage, work, education. The key states of migration are UP, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan. The key destination for migrants are Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, Hyderabad. Then reverse migration. The name itself suggests that migration which is reverse in nature. People moving from urban centers to rural centers. Now we'll look into the highlights of this campaign. This campaign will work in mission mode for 125 days. Ministry of Rural Development is the nodal ministry. It will focus on 25 different types of works and it provide employment to the migrant workers on one hand and creating an infrastructure on the other hand. This campaign selected 6 states. These 6 states such as Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Rajasthan, Odisha, Bihar. 12 different ministries will be coordinating for the implementation of this campaign. The village will join this scheme through common service centers and Krishi Vijnana Kendras. Now common service centers. Common service centers are those centers which deliver Government of India e-services to government to rural and remote locations where computers and internet facilities mostly absent. It also helps in enabling financial and digital inclusive society and it is a pan-India network. Now look into Krishi Vijnana Kendras. Krishi Vijnana Kendras is an agriculture extension center and integral part of National Agriculture Research System. It acts like a nerve center between Indian Council of Agriculture Research and farmers and these centers are fully funded by central government. First Krishi Vijnana Kendra was established in 1974 at Puducherry. Here the 12 ministries who are contributing for this campaign. Now question regarding this topic. Garib Kalyan Rozgar Abhiyan. This scheme will empower and provide livelihood opportunities to the reverse migrant workers and rural citizens. 2. Ministry of Panchayat Raj is the nodal ministry. 3. This campaign will work in mission mode for 100 days. Which of the following statement given above is are correct? Answer is A. One only. Why? The scheme will empower and provide livelihood opportunities to the reverse migrant workers and rural citizens. This statement is correct. Ministry of Panchayat Raj. No, it is the Ministry of Rural Development. This campaign will work in mission mode for 100 days. No, it is for 125 days. I hope everyone doubt is clear. Everyone is clear about this concept. Thank you. Keep smiling. Have a nice day.